Smart Energy Saver. Aim. The aim of this project is to build a simple energy saver that turns an LED on only when someone is present or there is activity. It uses an IR sensor to detect movement and a sound sensor to detect noise. Components: IR sensor, sound sensor, buzzer, LED, 220 ohms resistor, breadboard, 9V battery with clip, jumper wires, relay module. Component explanation. IR sensor, the eyes of our project. This sensor works like our eyes. When a person comes near, it sees it and sends a signal. Pins: VCC, power, GND, ground, out, output signal. Sound sensor, the ears of our project. This sensor works like our ears. When it hears a loud sound, it sends a signal. Pins: VCC, power, GND, ground, out, signal. LED, the warning light. This light turns on when an intruder is detected. Long leg is equal to plus, short leg is equal to with a resistor for protection. 220 ohms resistor, the safety guard. It controls the current so the LED stays safe. Breadboard, the connection playground, helps us place and connect parts without soldering. 9V battery, the powerhouse, gives energy to the whole project. Jumper wires, the helpers, carry electricity between components. Relay module, the smart switch. It turns on the LED and buzzer when the IR sensor sends a signal. Buzzer, the sound alert, produce a loud beep sound to alert when an intruder is detected. Connections. One, connect the VCC pin of all the IR sensor and relay module and sound sensor to the positive terminal of the 9V battery. They all need power to work. To connect the GND pins of all modules to the negative terminal of the battery. They must share the same ground for proper working. 3, connect the out pin of the IR sensor and sound sensor to the in pin of the relay module. The sensor sends the intruder detected signal to the relay. 4, connect the COM terminal of the relay module to the positive terminal of the battery. This gives power to the relay's switching part. 5, connect the no terminal of the relay module to the lead anode through a 220 ohms resistor and the positive terminal of the buzzer. Six, the LED and buzzer will turn on only when the relay closes. Connect the LED cathode and buzzer negative terminals to the battery GND.6. Completing the circuit allows them to work properly. 7. Lastly, connect the battery. Result: the anti-theft alarm worked successfully by detecting movement or unusual sound through the sensors. When triggered, the buzzer produced a warning sound and the LED gave a light signal. This showed how sensors and simple electronic parts can be combined to make a security system. Precautions: always check battery positive and negative before connecting. Never touch wires while the battery is connected. Keep the IR sensor dry and clean for proper detection. Disconnect the power when making changes to the circuit to prevent shocks or mistakes. Conclusion: this energy saver project uses an IR sensor and a sound sensor to send pulses into a CD4017 IC, which turns an LED on only when there is movement or sound. It demonstrates how simple digital logic can replace relays for light indicators, making sensor-based energy control easy to understand and build.